Good morning, everybody. It is Wednesday, otherwise
Hump Day!
That's a little bit better. Yay! Alright, I actually have time to coffee maker on. I'm telling you where these cats are going to kill me yet. Playing with rugs all the time. Messing things up. Oh. Alright. Get coffee made. Knock knock, anybody home? I see a paw. See a puppy paw. Mr. King of destroying beds. There he is. Hi. Good morning. He did face. He's a tongue sticking out. Aw. Hi. You look tired. Are you tired? You look tired. We gotta go. It's really early, dude. What the hell are you doing up? Yeah, that gives you an idea. It isn't even light out really yet. That low light doesn't do shit. Getting out of the house. Much better time. Much better time. I need to continue to do this. Alright, is everybody ready for Wednesday? I do have some errands to run after work. I have 60 miles to go on gas, so I need to do that. This 360 shield that I got at Target when I went to see my dad, that's going back. And then I picked up another one of those Gerber dimes on my vacation. And I was using it the other day, and the damn thing, I don't know how to explain it, because it's not really spring-loaded per se. I don't really understand the mechanism, but the whole damn thing bent. So, I've got that in my bag, and I'll take that back. Hopefully I can get gas last, but we'll wait and see, because I can only go 60 miles. It's a little nicer morning. It's foggy. It looks like it actually might be clear. It's hard to tell. Hazy, but mostly sunny. Too bad out. I'm not going to the rails trails today because I'm low on gas. I can go 50 miles and I don't want to use up some of that to get up there. So I'm just going to take an old walk. Get a little more sun this way anyway. But unfortunately, I'm going to be able to test the camera without the band now because I went to take it off my wrist and the damn thing snapped. I've had that thing for a long time. So, you know, I'm going to have to pick up a couple different 2-packs. Walmart line was forever long last night. I wasn't wasting my time. So the atmosphere is a little bitter today, to say the least, up here. But we're all doing our job. That's what we have to do. So getting a good walk because I haven't got one all week. So let's see how we do. A lot of dragonflies out today. Breezy, feels good. Birds are playing. I can't see them, too far away. Alright, so 16-14 mile 1, but I lost a little bit on mile 2, 16-18. That's alright. We got our 2-mile walk in. Much better. My legs were ready for it too. I was like, obviously that first mile I did really good. I did get kind of off course a couple times though by traffic, so it slowed me down. I'm not sure if your lenses are steamed up. I can't tell because my glasses are so steamed up right now. Wow, is it hot in here? Holy balls. Whew. Yes, I know I'm low on fuel. How many miles can I go, I wonder? I should be able to go 50. But we are on our way. Oh, so I'm going to stop at Walmart and get those wristbands since the one I was using broke, so now I'm going to have to get them. Then to Target, Dick's, stop in Best Buy because I'm taking back the 360 shield for this and get a new Zag, and I have a $5 coupon off, so save the $5 on that. That'll be cool. And if I can find another one of the camera to GoPro attachments, I've got an idea on how to make, since it's a 2-pack of wristbands, I'm going to make one a GoPro mount as well. See how that works. I'm working on some clever ideas. don't know, can they turn their music up a little bit louder maybe? I couldn't quite understand everything. Now I am at Target, and I parked as far out as I possibly could because you just never know what else I'm going to get into tonight. I want to be able to get more steps. So, off to Target. And I did pick up the 2 Steeler ones at Walmart quick. I had to see Brian real quick. He had a question for me, so. Oh, alright. We are planning a racing trip out to Williams Grove on the 28th of next month. And I'm trying to get that all hashed out. So, I gotta call the track and find out about pit passes. Yeah, don't bother with this. It's not working. Oh, that was easy. That's all done. The girl even said to me that she had heard that they had problems with them, so we got that returned. And next, Best Buy, and because I need to get a new Zag for the watch. Gas and home. I actually did stop at Sheetz and put $6 in. And now your battery's telling you have nothing. Awesome. This thing has been goofy. I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, Dick's once again parking as far out as I can. Alright, this really sucks. I just got this when I was on vacation. I was trying to get those screw nails out, and the piece bent inside it. I did not know that. Made the return, and they give you a coupon 15% off anything in the store because you did a return. Okay. I wonder if it was because it broke. Kind of like, we're sorry. That was interesting. There's nothing I need though in Dick's. Off to Funland. Best Buy. I was hoping I was going to be doing a time lapse with a polar lens on it, on the GoPro. Unfortunately, went to put the damn thing on and it shattered. Lens popped right out of the thing and it shattered all over the place. So that's a no-go. But I did get the screen protector for the watch. I'll get that on after I get home. Right now I need to go get gas and get home. I'm hungry. I did have a hamburger, and then I had a little bowl at one of my soups. I don't know what I'm eating for dinner. Maybe a salmon burger on the plate. Finally construction's done here, yay. Look guys, raindrops falling. Gee, that's something new. And like right under a massive cloud. Alright, we're filled with gas though. It is time to go home. Yay! I'm done with this. 5:30. 2 hours. That's not too bad really, considering. Well, 2.5. Got a lot done. Did a whole whopping $35 in returns, but basically re-spent the Target return back at Best Buy with the screen protector. So they're the same price. When I got the other Zag, I actually got it like $6 or something. It was like 50% off. It is gonna let loose. It's gonna pour. I don't know. It's trying to pour at least. And it's the Little League parade. Oh, I ran into all that traffic too. That was fun. I hope it actually starts raining now. Man, those drops are huge. I wonder how they're coming out of this wide angle. Now we're in blinding sun. I feel like I've moved to Florida with the bipolar weather. Cooking up the rest of the salmon burgers. Boy, do they smell good. They really were tasty. I have to admit, they were pretty good. In fact, I think I like them better than the actual hamburgers because they're seasoned a little bit. But we're gonna put a little Hawaiian barbecue, I think it is, on it. Try to give them a little different taste. So I am home, by the way, obviously, and we took Puppy for a little family walk, just kind of settling in. Got a cat litter to do and vacuuming and all that fun stuff.
Salmon.
You want your salmon burger, buddy?
Don't you do? Oh, buddy, you have to wait.
You're an awful talky dog. Yeah, it looks like a unique mix. Broccoli, little potatoes, this is all leftovers, and some new salmon burgers at the bottom there. I like bowls. As soon as I get a chance to get to a mirror, I will show you what I've tried to do here. It's not working, but I gotta turn mine down. Anyway, with a little help of some Velcro strips, I've actually attached the camera to another camera mount and then to the handle. Hopefully there shouldn't be too much noise, but the problem is it's very weak. It's not sticking. Hey, Finny, what you doing? Chilling out. Jeez. You're just chilling, huh? It doesn't like the material of the wristband, but I am getting ready to finally start cleaning up. I've been trying to find the broken one of the camera to GoPro, digital camera to GoPro mounts, and I don't know what I did with it. I don't know if I threw it away or what. I didn't think I did, but who knows. I was trying to make a way to not have it in its cage. This isn't going to quite cut it, but I'll keep after it. Come on! Completely, I don't even know if there was one, honestly. But I completely forgot about the sunset. Not taking the man out for technically his after dinner walk, but it's like 10 after 8, 20 after 8. Everything is cleaned up. Kitchen I vacuumed tonight, which I don't normally do, but because I've been cooking on the grill, I've been dragging in pine needles. So, looks a little better. Pulled up a baby kitten that way. Actually, we considered it a porcupine because of all the needles. But I'm going to get ready here once I get back to get imported, because Terry will be leaving within the next hour, and start editing. Oh, not really much of a relaxing night for me. Busy after work, and now busy at home. Took a few minutes. Didn't really relax, but nonetheless, still nice to be home. It really is. But I'm curious to see how this is sounding compared to the little one. And my other idea is just not working. I'll have to try to show you later, but I don't know if we have any rubbing alcohol. I was going to actually try to rub the band down with like some rubbing alcohol and then get a new piece of Velcro and try it again. But there's still a lot of flex. So I don't know if it's going to work at all. What if I wrapped a piece all the way around the inside to give I don't know, figure something out. But I'm trying. Like I said, I'm still trying different things, make better quality sound and picture. Because like I said yesterday, I'm running 2.7 again. Alright, we're going to finish up our walk. And I don't know what else we're going to do. Oh, and by the way, my idea from parking as far out as I could at both Target and Dick's, yeah, it kind of worked out, because when Terry and I were on our walk with him this afternoon when I got home, I hit all my goals. Yay! Don't be picking that up, you dirty little dog. Picking up a tissue off the ground. No. Yuck, yuck. Calm down. Ugh. Get her! Tashi! Whoa!
Don't get run over.
Yeah, don't get run over.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Same old stuff.
Oh, Tasha, get over here. Tasha, get out of the road. Come on.
3 times with her.
Silly dog. You silly big dog. I don't know if you can really tell, but the wristband around it. That's what it did. It seems to have muffled the noises on the microphones. It's such a tricky thing. But sound-wise, it still sounds decent, or the same to me when I'm editing. Let me know in the comments, please, if you think it's drowned out or anything. I mean, with the GoPros, I have it on auto setting, so wind and stereo, it'll go back and forth automatically. It's just easier than putting on one or the other, because if you are in wind and you don't have it on that, you can't hear a thing. So, but the battery really went down on it today a lot. But you can also tell what I was talking about, all this flex down here, and that's why when I'm in the Velcro, even after putting rubbing alcohol on it, it didn't do a damn thing for it. It won't stick to it. And I realized that part of the problem I have is it's the wrong type of Velcro. I had gotten super industrial stuff back a long time ago for my Easy Pass, and basically, get a piece of it here out. Both sections were like this, and they really stuck together really well. It can't be this fuzzy stuff. It gives too much leniency with movement, so that's not going to work. I'll have to see if I can find that other stuff. I should have still had some, but I didn't find it when I went through. Probably got thrown away in all the moving and stuff. But little man, he's been pretty chill. Haven't you? You are getting so much crap in this thing, dude. Cat hair. Dear God. You're helping be a lint roller. So, I'm going to call it a night. So, thank you very much for watching. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video. And once again, your lens was smudged. I'm sorry. Yeah, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Thumb up if you like today's video. And I will see you in the morning.